Hi everybody, Darren, Raider Express, Fort Worth CDL School. Today we're going to do a quick video on making a little omelet inside your truck. I have an 8-inch electric skillet here. We're going to turn it on, put it fairly high. We'll use a little spray oil, coat the bottom of the pan and some of the sides. That way you don't have to worry about liquid sloshing around inside your truck. We're going to do just a basic little omelet. Throw a little bit of tomato in here and maybe some bell pepper. Also going to add some onion. Turn that up so it'll do what we need it to do. So what we're going to do is we're going to get this hot, move around those veggies a little bit so it'll heat up, be nice, ready to go for us. While that's doing its thing here, getting the sizzle going on, I'm going to take 2 eggs and scramble them up. I'll just use a foam cup so it's easy and on cleanup. We'll throw a little bit of pepper in here, a little bit of salt. If you don't like salt, don't use it. Once again, Mrs. Dash makes a good alternative for that. Scramble up a couple of eggs. Pour it right in there with it. Mix it around a little bit so we can get it to start to do its thing. We'll let it set for a little bit. Get me some cheese to throw in there with it. You always got to have a side to go with this, so I'll do toast and sausage. You can use sausage or bacon or ham. You know, they make everything that's pre-made. All you got to do is microwave it and it'll set up for you pretty easy. If you don't have a toaster in your truck like I did, I would suggest a George Foreman. George Foreman's pretty versatile. You can do anything you want with it. You can make steak, you can make chicken, you can make paninis if that's what you want to do. You can toast bread. You could make grilled cheese sandwiches and put them with tomato soup when you're out driving in those cold weather states. So not only with a slow cooker, but the little skillet like this, you can also use the microwave. You can use a George Foreman, a toaster oven. There's several things you can have in your truck. Eat healthier, not cost as much. I don't have to wait in line when I do this. Put my plate down. Take my spatula, move my eggs right onto my plate. Breakfast is ready, and I didn't have to do much. Enjoy!